Hello! Welcome, dear learners. Good day and greetings. I'm teacher Waleed Risk, and I'm here to help you speak English fluently and confidently. What's up, everybody? Hello, good day and greetings.
Welcome to Ruaa Infinite, dear learners all over the world.
I'm teacher Waleed Risk, and I'm here to help you speak English fluently and confidently.
Our lessons are made just for you.
Whoever you are, whatever you are,
Wherever you are. That's me, teacher Waleed, mark my words. I'm speaking to you with love and purpose. Millions are learning all over the world.
Be the one who learns smart.
This is not just a lesson, this is a movement. A journey of learning that starts here and echoes for years to come. Because at Ruaa Infinite, we don't just teach, we inspire.
discover over 1,500 essential vocabulary words.
Only 1% can master them all. Are you one of them?
Just minutes a day. That's all it takes to level up your English. Sharpen your skills and speak with confidence. Real English, real speed. No slow, boring lessons here. This is not just a lesson. This is your challenge, your opportunity.
Millions are building their dreams online. But only a few choose smart. If you're serious about launching a website, you need speed, reliability, security, and unbeatable value. And that's exactly what you get with Hostinger, our trusted hosting partner. Welcome to Ruaa Infinite Live, where smart learners, professionals, and creators go live with speed. At Ruaa Infinite, we don't just recommend any service, we recommend the best. That's why we proudly choose Hostinger as our official hosting partner for students, professionals, and businesses around the world. Only 1% find the fastest, most affordable hosting. Are you one of them? This is not just a hosting plan, this is your digital launchpad for websites, businesses, portfolios, or anything you imagine.
Why choose Hostinger via Ruaa Infinite? Because it's twice as fast as many popular platforms. It uses light-speed web servers and SSD storage. So your website loads in 0.35 seconds on average.
And it gets better. With our exclusive referral link, you get 20% off your plan, a free domain, plus 3 months of free hosting.
That's real value from Ruaa Infinite.
Plus, you get 3 free months included with any plan you choose, and an extra 20% off via Ruaa Infinite.
Not only that, you also get daily backups, free website migration, 24/7 expert live chat, WordPress optimization, free SSL certificate, and business email. Everything included, no hidden costs.
Exclusive hosting deal. Premium hosting was $11.99, now $2.99 per month.
Business hosting was $13.99, now $3.99 per month.
Cloud hosting was $27.99, now $7.99 per month.
An extra 20% off via Ruaa Infinite when you sign up with our exclusive referral link. Choose any plan and receive 3 full months free. No extra cost, just more value. And an extra 20% off via Ruaa Infinite. It's everything you need, all in one hosting platform. Let's compare Hostinger with other hosting companies and see why it wins in both speed and value. Hostinger loads your site in just 0.35 seconds. That's faster than Bluehost, which takes about 0.79 seconds. Faster than GoDaddy, which takes 1.2 seconds. And faster than SiteGround, which is around 0.6 seconds. While others charge more, Hostinger gives you a free domain, free SSL, faster servers, and prices starting from only $1.99 per month. No one gives this much for such a small price.
Just go to ruaainfinite.com/go live with speed. Ruaa Infinite's exclusive hostinger, deal 20 off, just for you.
Pick your hosting plan, use our link, and you're ready to go live today. Choose your hosting plan, and you're ready to go live today. Teacher Waleed, we don't promote anything we don't trust. Ruaa Infinite is proud to partner with Hostinger, giving you speed, support, and serious savings. TeacherWaleed. We only recommend the best for our learners, our team, and our community.
Whether you're building a teaching platform, online store, or blog, Hostinger is our top pick this year. Speed, support, security, affordability. Use our link and claim fastest shared hosting, free SSL and domain 24/7 support, all tools to build a site.
Join thousands who trust Ruaa Infinite and experience the difference with Hostinger today.
At Ruaa Infinite, we don't just recommend, we guide, support, and empower learners, entrepreneurs, and creators around the world.
Experience the speed, security, and savings of Hostinger, trusted by millions. Now exclusively through our website, ruaainfinite.com.
Visit our website at ruaainfinite.com to discover why so many choose us for online English learning and powerful digital tools.
If you found value in our work, please support us by subscribing, leaving a like, and sharing your thoughts in the comments.
Your support means the world to us. You're also welcome to visit our website, ruaainfinite.com, anytime. And ask us any questions. We're always here to help you learn and grow. We answer every question with care.
You did amazing, guys.
Thank you, Teacher Waleed.
Remember to practice these amazing activities every day. Visit ruaainfinite.com to review, download, and master more vocabulary.
Need help or have questions? Come join us at Ruaa Infinite. I'm here for you.
Learning is fun when we do it together. Let's explore more at ruaainfinite.com. We're your team. Just visit Ruaa Infinite and let's grow our English, one word at a time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And remember, you're never alone in your English journey.
All rights reserved to Ruaa Infinite. One does it all. Learning English is just a click away. Reliable, effective, and fast. Visit our website, ruaainfinite.com, and master English with ease. Thank you for your attention. Keep learning, keep growing, and never stop improving your English. Got a question about English? Ask us anytime, and we'll respond right away. Join our English Students Hub and connect with learners worldwide. We provide resources for all levels from beginners to advanced. Your English journey starts now. Explore more at ruaainfinite.com. But that's not all. Ruaa Infinite is more than just learning. Shop unique products and books, or promote your business and services to a global audience. Discover our offerings main website, ruaainfinite.com. Hot deals, ruaainfinite.com/hot-deals. Books collection, browse educational materials and more at ruaainfinite.com/shop. If you find benefit in our work, please share it with your friends, family, and anyone eager to learn. Let's grow together with care and dedication. With Ruaa Infinite by your side, success is always within reach, one humble step at a time.